What's up, guys? Your boy Double Guy, and I'm back here again with another video. So today's video, we're gonna take the Mustang out for a quick drive. We did an exhaust install. We haven't really showed you guys video of it yet, so I decided to take the car out for a quick spin. It's pretty cold outside, so it's gonna get a little loud, but anyways, I decided to take the Mustang out and show you guys a little bit of it since I haven't driven it much, and the new exhaust and all that stuff. I want to get more videos on the channel for you guys. I know some of you guys enjoy some of the old videos, so why not? So let's go out, take the car for a ride, and get some videos. I catch you guys with this exhaust startup video. So let's go out and listen to some Mustang sounds, buddy. Alright, boys, so the car is pretty cool right now, and I'm not gonna get on it yet. As you guys can see, the oil temperature and all that is not up yet, so we're gonna just cruise a little bit, get the temperature up, and then we're gonna start getting on it for you guys. But for right now, just cruise. Whoa, he's coming fast. If you guys are OG subscribers, you know I love doing cold starts and stuff like that. And you know I like my car loud, but I don't like it too loud. I like when it's loud when I'm getting on it, but if I'm cruising, I want the car to be at a normal temperature, if what I'm saying. I mean normal sound, if what I'm saying makes sense. So right now I'm at a stoplight. Like I said, I can't get on the car as much as I want to, but we're gonna take off and we're just gonna be acting like we're driving on a daily basis, you know, to show you what a car sounds like right now. I'm gonna be quiet now. You guys listen to it. Okay, boys, we're gonna give you guys a little bit of a pull. I'm not gonna do it first gear, I'm gonna do it in third gear. So, woo! Woo! This car just sounds so good. Having a V8 car is a whole different game. Like, I'm sorry, 4 cylinders. Having a V8 car or railroad drive car that pushes the power instead of pulling the power, it's a different game. Like, listen to this baby. Listen to this baby. God, I don't give a fuck what anybody say about four cylinders. 4 cylinders are good cars. I had one. I loved it. I mean, my ST was probably my best car I've ever owned. I loved the car. I put too much time and money into that car. I should have bought this baby right here instead of the ST, and all the money I spent on the ST spent on this thing, and I would have made twice the horsepower and twice as much fun. But you know what, the ST taught me a lot of things, so I'm not going to give the ST away. I wish I didn't sell that ST and I had the Mustang, but the ST taught me a lot. This car is a whole different game, you know. The Nasty kind of introduced me to the whole car game, really, like. But this car is a different game, and I know what I want to do to this car. I know what I want out of this car, and I know how I want the car to sound, how I want the car to drive, and everything, you know. But we're gonna go to our favorite location, which is down there, do some pools. I'd love to do some drifting over there, but I don't know when the cop is pulling up. You know what I'm saying? So let me just go down there and make the video, show you guys the exhaust and all that stuff and all that. So I'm kind of just drift around for you guys real quick, so you guys can see. Damn, that shit didn't drift, bro. The traction control was in it. I'm gonna try again, bro. I swear to God, I'm gonna try again. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is get some exhaust sound from far away and just revving it. Try to go around in circles while as I get on in. Maybe drift a little bit for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get it. That was so fun. I promise you guys. Okay, so right now this is the car in idling mode, you know, and this is what exhaust sound like. It's not loud after it idles, but when you start it up, the initial startup is what is the loudest. So as you guys can hear, I'm gonna be quiet, listen to it. This is what it sounds like from the rear. I'm gonna go inside, then you guys can hear that too from the inside. See, it's not that loud in here when you go inside. What it sound like from the front. So from the front, this is what it sounds like. So it's pretty quiet, isn't it? Yep. That's all I wanted to show you guys. So I'm gonna go right ahead and do some lunches for you guys while the car sounds like this, so you guys know what it sounds like when lunching and also starting up while it's warm. I'm first gonna do the warming part of it, and I'm gonna do the lunching part of it for you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it. You guys listen. So how about we go inside the car and do it whilst we are inside the car too, that you guys hear what it sounds like. Basically what I'm trying to say is that the boiler exhaust, it's a pretty decent and good exhaust. You only hear it when you get on it real hard. That's when you really hear it. But if you're just driving normal, it sounds pretty good. And you guys can hear right now, it's not too loud. So from the inside of the car, this is what it sounds like when a car is off. It's pretty quiet. The windows are up. Both windows on both sides are up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up again. So it has the aggressive startup, if what I'm saying makes sense. And after the startup, it's not too aggressive anymore. So I'm gonna give it a little rev for you guys to hear. So as you guys heard, like I said, it has that aggressive startup and all that aggressive stuff when you start it up and stuff like that. But right now, it's not being too loud and it's not being too obnoxious, you know. But when you get on it and it starts to go, that's when you can hear it good. Another thing I forgot to tell you guys, it does not have drone at all. I've been doing 80 miles per hour in 6th gear and no drone, no whatsoever. So it's a pretty great setup if you like to be loud on the higher end and then quieter on the lower end when you're just cruising. You know, when I say quiet, it's not like you can't hear nothing. You can hear it a little bit. It's just not too loud in the cabin as other Mustangs, you know. At this point, I'm gonna do the launching for you guys to hear. I'm gonna first rev it up to 2,000 RPM, 5,000 RPM, and I'm gonna launch it for you guys to hear it. So I hope it's not too loud. So as you guys can see, I have the 4-ways on. The car just broke. I don't know what happened. I don't know what snapped. I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna pop the hood, start up the car and see what's going on. If I'm fucked, I don't know what to do, bro. Everything was working when I was driving the car, so what could go wrong? Huh. Let me start it up again for you guys to hear it. Do you guys hear that sound? Can you guys hear this sound? It's not coming from the motor. Wow. This doesn't sound good. Wow, 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 wow. It's not coming from the motor. Because the engine is sounding good. I'm gonna give it some revs and hear where it's coming from. I feel like it's coming from the transmission. I'm not sure. Yep, my first gear is out. My car will not go in gear. Wow, the transmission is out. My car will not go in gear, literally. Literally. My transmission is out. Wow.